Lena, you are a modeling specialist in ArcelorMittal Poland. Can you tell us how did it all start?
So this FlexSim journey aligned with my very first professional job experience while I was at the third year of my university studies. And at that time, I had no programming knowledge or experience whatsoever. I didn't know what a variable was, how to declare one. I didn't know how to write an if statement or for loop. Yet today, I'm still able to successfully working with FlexSim because of all the visual aspects it possesses. It enhances the learning process of this amazing optimization tool.
Okay, so you're saying that the process flow is something that help you, let's say, overcame your lack of experience in programming, etc. Yeah?
Yes, of course. The crucial part was that when I write some code, or it was process flow logic, I could visually see the movements of all the devices and machines. And if I saw that they are moving wrong, it was easy to spot, and that enhanced the learning process, as you said.
Yeah. And you are one of the biggest FlexSim users in Poland right now. And during our conference, you said you even got your own standardization rules of how to build the code. Can you elaborate a little bit on it?
Yes, of course. So when I joined the team, me and my buddy, we worked in pairs. It's a technique of extreme programming. So he was the one that wrote the logic, and I was looking at it. I added my own ideas, and if they were good, we were implementing them. And by months of analysis of this process flow, which was enormous, all the colors that was assigned to the specific blocks stuck with me to the point that when I started my own project, I used the same coloring style. And even if it doesn't seem really insightful, that was our first step towards standardization. And since then, our simulation team expanded, and we thought that we may use it in every project because it will makes it easier to work collaboratively on the projects when we're taking over or supporting or for educational purposes. So yes, that's it.
From our perspective, you're a little bit different kind of user. Because, for example, in automotive industry, in logistics, you can build simulation model in 1 to maybe 3 weeks, and you're finished. I know that in ArcelorMittal, some models are developed years.
Yes.
And they are still in developed, and it started in 2021 or something, and it's still in progress. Yeah? Because you are heavy industry, so it's a different
Yeah, there are many reasons for that. The first is that our projects covers a lot of space, so a lot of microprocesses. It's not the only separated process. There are many of them that need to be included in one simulation, so it kind of gets bigger and bigger. So that's one thing. The second is sometimes we have difficulties with data acquiring, but the most important thing of all of this is that those are big strategic decisions and
a lot of money on the line.
Exactly. So there need to be considered in really detailed way. So we're making a lot of scenarios of concerning one facility, one layout, or many layouts. So one investment decision takes a lot of scenarios to check.
Can you tell us just short few examples of what have been modeled by ArcelorMittal? What kind of processes?
Okay.
What kind of infrastructure?
So if I'm talking about my projects, those are mostly warehouses for all of the type of the products we have. But since some time we're also modeling the more logistic structures of the whole company, like train logistics, trucks logistics. And it's not so often, but we also do the one production line simulation, or as my friend presented at the conference, Krzysztof, exactly, the 5 halls, the entire facility.
So whole steel shop.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time and good luck with your master thesis.
Thank you.